So this is a cabin in Colter Bay in Grand Teton National Park. This is a double bed with a single twin bed. You can see that these are historic cabins. I think the oldest ones are from like 1890 and the most recent are from about early 1900s. So over here you have a little wardrobe area with extra blankets, where to hang your clothes. There's a chair, little kind of a coffee area. Some nightstands. There's 2 nightstands, one for each bed. These are some windows overlooking the bed to bring in some light. There's a little desk here with a lamp. And then we just move over here. This is the bathroom. It's a pretty nice bathroom, pretty big. Has a sink, mirror, and a pretty decently sized shower with a window. But yeah, these are really neat little cabins. This is again Colter Bay in Grand Teton National Park, and these are the historic Western cabins.